Hi guys! For this video, nag-ready ako dahil mag-interview ako ng strangers. Yeah. Bali, ito namin, assignment. So, may question ako dito na hinanda. First, where are you from originally? Second, what brings you here in this city? Number 3, what's something you're passionate about? And 4, how did you meet your spouse? 5, what was it like raising your children? 6, what's the most important things to you in life? And the last question is, do you have any advice for younger generations? Yes. Itong 7 question ang hinanda ko para interviewon siya. I will update later. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.